This is so good.
Yeah.
Linda, seriously, this is style and confidence 101. I mean, we should this has to be featured somewhere, this episode.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm going to refer all my clients to this episode about body shape.
I
Yeah?
know. Yeah, because it's super important, but we don't really learn how to even discover our body shape. We don't learn it in school.
No.
I do teach a style course where we do learn it, but if you don't get your balance and proportion right, you go to the land of frumpadump. Nobody wants to be
Absolutely.
there.
And you said two things that were so key to me that stuck out. You said, see your body as an artist would,
Yeah.
and shape matters. Now, to really understand the context around this, you're going to have to you're going to stay and listen to the full episode. But those things really,
Yeah.
they stuck in my head. I liked that so
Yeah.
much.
Good. Good, good. And part of learning, as you know, and discovering, I mean, that's where you want a few key phrases to stick in your mind, stay in your mind. And the fact that size does not matter, it's shape that matters. That's what
Shape
I
that
really
matters.
hope
Shape matters.
everybody remembers,
Right.
getting
Now,
that
I want to
right.
bring, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off. I want to bring everyone's attention to a couple of other episodes. If you like this episode on style
Yeah.
and dressing your body, we have so many others, but I'll just highlight a few. Um, Season 3, how to dress consciously and avoid the frump.
Oh,
Season 3, what style era is yours? That's a really good one. And how about season 6, 5 ways to fire the frump? We'll link those three below, but search all the style episodes.
yeah.
You're going to love what you find.
Yeah. Yeah. And Lisa, before we get started, because we're talking about dressing our body shape, I wanted to let everybody know that I have a free quiz to determine your body shape. And we're going to put the link in the show notes. So if you just
Right.
want to take that quiz so that you can discover your body shape, take that quiz. And also, I have an online self guided style course, and it's called Body Confidence: How to Fall in Love with Your Body Again, because it's all about how to dress your body so you look great and feel great. And it gives you steps to determine your body shape and how to dress your body shape. I go into a lot more detail than we're going to have time for in the podcast.
Right. Right.
So check out both links if you're interested in kind of taking deeper dive.
Right. So here's your action item list. You're going to listen to this episode, then you're going to follow up and check out Linda's links that are in the show notes for her information on style and dressing your body. And then you're going to leave us a review. There you go.
Oh, yeah. Always love it.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.